Hey guys, welcome to Felting Fandom. My name is Kari. Today we'll be making a super mushroom from the Mario series. This is a very easy needle felting project and should take less than an hour to complete. I grew up playing Super Mario Bros., Mario Kart, and Mario Party, so this is a very nostalgic project for me. Who is your favorite Mario character? Let me know in the comments. Here's what you need for this project. A felting mat, a felting tool that holds multiple needles, individual felting needles, pair of scissors, and if you're making this a keychain, strong crafting glue, pliers, and the keychain. For wool, you'll need a handful of red wool, about half that in beige wool, white wool, and just a tiny bit of black wool. To start, you want to shape the mushroom cap. Roll up your red wool tightly and start felting. You're basically creating a semicircle, and you can hollow out the center a bit to fit the rest of the mushroom inside. Make sure everything is felted smoothly and firmly. Next, we'll roll up some beige wool into a ball and felt that firmly. Mine was actually a little bit under-felted here. To attach the head to the mushroom cap, lightly felt a little bit of extra beige or red wool to the top of the head. Tuck the loose fibers into the mushroom cap and felt it until the head is secure. For the spots, roughly shape a small amount of white wool into a circle and felt it in place. Repeat this on the other 3 sides of the mushroom and then on the top. Sadly, I realized that all of my spots were too small and had to go back and redo them all. Don't do that. On to the eyes. Roll a small amount of black wool into a long oval and tack it into place. Because my beige wool wasn't quite firm enough, these were a bit tricky to attach. Repeat on the other side. Now, roll up a tiny ball of white wool and attach it at the top of the eye. Repeat for the other eye. If you want to attach a keychain, felt a hole into the top of the mushroom, add a bit of craft glue, screw in the keychain, and close the jump ring. If you'd like to, you can use a pair of scissors to tidy up any loose fibers. And we're done! Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. What geeky project would you like to see next? Please subscribe for more geeky needle felting time lapses and tutorials. Bye!